not, guys, I noticed that I could have reused this, but obviously, as you can tell, it's kind of really beat up. But just for now, I will order a new one of these, a greater line instead. For the meantime, this is what we have, and you know, it saved me, you know, a few bucks, but you know, fuck it. Because why I need it, guys, was just a T-fitting and one extra better line. But I realized that I can reuse this, so I'm gonna reuse it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I am gonna get my 3-port cow boost controller, because so I can install the vacuum lines for the turbo, and my wastegate and my blow off valve. And honestly, guys, and my oil cooler. And guys, that's pretty much it. Like literally, that's literally it. So hopefully for the next video, guys, you'll see this, my first startup. So yeah, shush! Can't wait for that. So we finally installed the HKS bell valve. As you can tell, it's in there now. But look, I was struggling, and then for some reason I don't know why, but paint chip right there, and then over here. Yeah, that sucks. Man, the boot. But need more. But now, damn, I got a turbo. How the fucking what I got? Oh hell no. So I realized that my alternator connector was a little bit ripped, and the wires are really messed up. So I rewired it, so I fixed that. The 2 wire lines for the alternator plug, and yeah, look, you got it, guys. Shoo! So now let's plug it in. First, let me check this in real quick. Just like that. There you go, guys. Sheesh. That's pretty easy, I gotta lie, but these are the best. Well, guys, I'm in Cali now. Not the vlog. There's a vlog. You have to, bro. You have to.
You and the nerd.
Look at her, guys. Embarazada.
No, I'm not. I just had 2 tortas.
Tortas? Stop capping, bro. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Alex, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, guys, we are here in Cali, as you can tell. So right now I'm putting gas. We just left from SAC, and now we're headed over to LA. So we'll put some gas right now because yeah, shit's like almost gone. I didn't know this because I was there for the past 2 hours. But yeah, so 3 more hours to get to LA, and then. There, guys. 9/11. It's OSR. These are crazy, guys, honestly. It's under locks. We're next. Huh?
You think this is
Oh, yeah. I know that they put the brakes from the Porsche. Yeah, nice. Guys, this current person is crazy. Yeah. Some dark ass windows. That should be just fun. And it's up first, guys. But one day, guys, one day. Oh, damn. This just looks nice.
See, I want to do that.
I think we are.
Damn. Woo!
Damn.
And the track is hella long, so.
Hell yeah. Hopefully we go for a lap, guys, because we did not pay 115 for just doing drifting. Hell no. Yeah, guys, back here at Porsche racetrack in Laguna Beach, in California. Fue gordo. So we're here, guys, on the Airbnb. We're not changing. Don't mind the mess because, yeah. Man, guys, look how much I fucked up already. I never used these guys until today. Well, since like I got here to Cali, but today, guys, we're gonna go to like staying right there, Sun Beach. Right now, I'm gonna go to downtown LA and we're gonna go shopping and see what's up there, guys. Hopefully, we see some Lambos, Ferraris. Josh! Office today. Sheesh. All jumped out. Yeah, his quality is nice as fuck. Little tour. So this is the closet. Chanclas. Yeah, some nasty ass chanclas. People and shit. This is the bed. So we got double beds because, you know. And then TV. I was watching Facebook last night. And then I wonder if it's open. And I think they do. Oh shit. Damn, I feel the breeze cold here coming through. And then we got the fridge right there, a door, yeah. This is like GTA, guys. It is. Guys, we're trying to find a secret hidden spot for the beach. And you can tell we're like right in the road. Guys, these are rich ass neighborhoods, for real. Where?
In someone's backyard.
True. Yeah, but can be that, they be that wet. Damn, peeps, this shit's nice as hell. It's a nice ass house. But we out here, you know what I'm saying? Supposedly by 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. is the best time to be at the beach, which is right now is 1:20. And supposedly the water should be clear, but I don't know. Huh?
Hey!
What up, gang?
What's up?
We in Cali.
Hey, we just came back from fucking. Oh my god, look at your phone. Look
Look at shoulders. Damn. That's crazy.
Yeah, we just came back from Laguna Beach, bro.
Oh,
I got hella wet. My first time was too.
Guys, I fucking got wet. I got in my whole fucking body. I was on my phone trying to like record the scenery, the whole ocean. All of a sudden, like a minute, like 2 seconds later, bah! I got wet.
I fucking slipped on a rock and I ate shit. Alex saw because he was behind me. I was hella mad. Dude, my bag got wet too. I was hella mad.
That shit was funny, bro. But yeah, guys. One last time, but we're still coming back though. Hell yeah.
Sure.
Some badass view. But here we go for the 8 hours drive back to
Lodi.
Lodi. Ni modo, fuck it.
Ni modo, así la vida.